Hello everyone, I am Upendra. In this video, I am going to explain Node.js interview questions and I am going to answer these 8 questions. And the first question is what is Node.js and how does it differ from server-side technologies like Apache or PHP? Node.js is a runtime environment that allows you to run JavaScript on the server side in the browser. It is used to connect both front-end and back-end. It was created in 2009. Node.js and these PHP are both differ in architecture, and Node.js is a single-threaded event model that handles many connections at once effectively. Programming languages. Node.js uses Node.js uses JavaScript for both server side and client side. PHP uses PHP for server side and JS for client side. And these are the main difference in this both node between Node.js and PHP. And next one, callback function in Node.js commonly used as asynchronous program. You used to pass functions as asynchronous function request result in the function callbacks, and it can be defined as callback function is a function that you pass to another function to be called when a certain task is finished. It's a way to accomplish make sure some code runs after an asynchronous operation completes. It uses asynchronous operation. Callbacks are usually use asynchronous operations because many operations it performs reading files, making requests like that. Callback functions are essential for handling tasks that take time to complete without stopping the whole program. And these are the main important about callback, and it is important. And third question is purpose of the package.json file in Node.js project. Node.js package.json is a crucial component of a Node.js project. It serves as the project metadata file and includes important information about the project. The main purposes are it contains the project information, dependencies, scripts, and configuration about the databases and project. Fourth question. Explain the differences between require and import statements in Node.js when we should use one of them other. In require in node.js require and import you use it to include modules. We use require and import in node.js to import modules, but they belong to different module system. We use both of them to import modules, but both of them are not belongs to same module system, but they are different. They are from different module systems. Require is from common JS module system and import is from ESM module system. Syntax for require is const module equal to require of module name, and import syntax is import module from module name. Import module from module name, and this one const module equal to require of module. Require supports synchronous and modules only. It supports asynchronous modules. So when we use to import synchronous modules, we use require, and when we use to import asynchronous module, we use import statement to import modules. What is middleware in context of Express.js? Can you give an example of how would you use middleware? Fifth question is middleware function processes request as they pass through the application's request response cycle. Middleware functions can perform various tasks like logging, parsing request bodies, authentication, and routing. Characteristics of middleware: they have access to request REQ, response RES, and the next middleware function next. They have all the access to REQ, RES, and next. They can modify request and response object. Next, middleware logs each incoming request to the console. The users are logging security, data parsing, error handling. Next, sixth question. RESTful APIs and how can you create one? RESTful APIs means representational state transfer of APIs. Is a web service architecture style that uses HTTP requests to interact with resources. RESTful APIs typically follows three principles. Stateless CRUD operations. CRUD operations means nothing but create, read, update, and delete operations. And HTTP methods in REST are get, post, put, or patch, delete. Get is used to retrieve data from the server. Post is used to send data to the server to create a resource. Put is used to update an existing resource on the server. Delete is used to remove a resource from the server. npm. Next, purpose of npm. We use npm to import packages. Npm install express, npm import EJS. Here you using npm install. We are installing express and NJS by using npm packages. It is used for developers to install and manage third-party libraries and tools, share and distribute their own packages, manage project dependencies. Purpose of npm: dependency management, versioning, automation. Next, hash passwords in a web application. Hashing. Hashing is a process of converting a password into a fixed length string of characters, which is typically a hash code. This process is a crucial in web applications for several reasons. Security, password protection, data breach mutation. How to hash passwords? By using bcrypt library in node.js, we can hash passwords. Explanation. Salting bcrypt. Salting means adding random data to the password before hashing to ensure unique hashes. Bcrypt, is a popular library for hashing passwords with automatic salting. Important of hash passwords: prevents unauthorized access. Com- Compliance means many regular standards requires secure storage of user credentials. And user trust ensures users' data is handled secretly, maintaining the trust in the application.